Hate a dirty screen? Well, I got the solution for you today. Check this out. Today we got the Monster ScreenClean 3.0 and CleanTouch 3.0 Clean and Shield system. This two-part cleaning system helps keep all of your screens cleaner longer and is safe for MacBook Pro screens, regular MacBooks, HPs, Samsungs, and many other screens. Helps it keep it clean without having to worry of damaging your screen. You can find this on Amazon for about $27.99. I'll leave a description and a listing below for where you can find it. It comes with the Monster ScreenClean 3.0 and also a CleanTouch 3.0 clean and shield system and a couple of microfiber cloths that are included in the cap covers themselves. I really love my MacBook Pro, but I always hated seeing the screen super dirty, full of fingerprints and dust, and this is the perfect solution for it. Now let's see how the magic happens. As you can see, I have my MacBook Pro 15-inch screen here, and you can see it has a lot of dirt, has a lot of residue, fingerprints all over it, and I really hated how dirty and disgusting it made it look. First, what you want to do is you want to take a microfiber cleaning cloth and you just want to wipe the screen off first. Remember, stick with the same pattern. If you go side to side, keep going side to side. If you go up and down, keep going up and down to prevent scratches to your screen. I used the Monster ScreenClean 3.0 and sprayed it on the cloth and then wiped the screen down, and I saw a big difference after. My screen instantly looked a lot darker and a lot cleaner and sharper, as you can see here. Then spray the CleanTouch 3.0 clean and shield system, which acts as a wax. So basically, it just prevents further dust, fingerprints, or any scratches from forming on your screen. Just look at it from this view. I truly love this product and I recommend it 1000%. So give it a try. And remember folks, don't be regular, be iconic. See you on the next one.